Hi mga kaloads. I'm craving. I'm just finished my food and now I'm craving this. This is my favorite. Cerelac. I like this one. Hindi ko nilagyan ng hot water. Ito naman nag-craving this Inday. Coco Crunch. Na may fresh milk. Left and the right. I'm already full. My food. And now I'm craving. Too much. Let's eat.